Okay, so what I'm going to do is go over this real quick. So in order to get the Bluetooth going, I usually set it up on the printer first, and then it's on, it's running. And then what I'll do is I'll exit out of the Scale Fusion on the tablet. Even if it is running, I'll still exit out. You're watching it on the screen there, okay? And then I'll go, let me see, I'll go back in, I'll get out, and then what I'll do is I'll bring the menu from the top down, and then I'll toggle Bluetooth on, Bluetooth off, okay. It'll pull up my Bluetooth. It's already paired, but it'll pull up whatever it finds. And then you just select it. Mine's already paired, so it's done. And then you go back into Scale Fusion, swipe up. Steps. And it's there. And it always says Bluetooth. It's printing. And that's it. It's basically like the same thing.